Hey guys, it's Dima from Tech, and today we're checking the Ugreen power bank, 145 watts, 25 milliampere hour. That's a beast. So, this is the power bank, and well, it writes here more than a power, but honestly, just power bank. Nothing more than that. It is a power delivery, and it seems like one port can take out up to 140 watts. Honestly, I don't even have anything in my house that I can actually showcase this. We'll try a few things, but honestly, I'm not fully sure what we can do with. As you can see, it comes with this USB Ugreen cable. It seems like a regular cable. I don't see any wattage or anything. Only maybe here it writes 5 amperes, which actually ridiculous. I'm not fully sure. And it seems that we have here a small screen. It is a little dim, or dimmer than I thought. At 49, I guess, percentage the battery. The size of this thing, of this behemoth, about 16 centimeters here, about, let's see, 2 point, I guess, 6 or something like this centimeters deep or wide, or however you want to call it. And on here, let's see what we have here, about 8 centimeters. And just to be clear, we have here a scale, okay, and yeah, this thing is heavy, but not too much. Oh, 500 grams. Actually, exactly 500 grams. That's interesting. Now it's 501, but I actually thought it would be a little bit less, but it's okay. I mean, 25,000 milliampere hour and 145 watts. That's a beast. I have here my old thing that I guess I showed once in the past, that we should be able to sort of check how much power it draws, but I'm not fully sure that we will be able to do and showcase this. Let me grab a few USB-C cables, a few things that we can try to charge, and see what we can do.
So I brought a few cables, and first of all I want to see something. This is connected to actually charger that is up to 65 watts. If I remember correctly, if I just use one of the cables, but I'm not fully sure. No, currently something is used, so probably it will give me up to 45 watts, I guess. Let's try to charge this battery. Now, this cable has a screen in it, and it's up to 100 watts, so let's see what will it give us. I'm not fully sure. It's quite downside down, but let's see what we'll get. And currently it's up to, not, let's try to turn it around, 41 watts. It might stop on 41 watts. I actually seen this a lot. Now I do see here that this is blinking. The 4 is for some reason constant, but the 9 is blinking. And now there's nothing else here indicating, but it is charging. Anyway, let's drop this. Let's grab this thing, and I'm not sure the cable they provide is actually good or not. But let's try to check what we can get from it. I'm not fully sure if it will just boot. Guess not. We'll need to probably connect some load. I have here cable from Ugreen, actually. Not related to this one, just had it. And you know what? It's enough. We don't really need this. And I'm going to grab my work laptop, which as far as I understand charges up to 65 watts. I don't have enough place here, but we are going to try to charge this thing. And right now it doesn't seem, maybe I need to power up the battery, it seems. And yeah, this screen is really dim, sadly, something like that. And we seem to grab 20 volts, sorry. Okay, so actually the watts are down here, and I think it's because the laptop is turned off. I'm going to try with my other hand to open the lid. And we'll see, yeah, we can see that it's jumping to 20 watts. And I think the maximum that this laptop can charge is 65 watts. I'm not fully sure. It's up to 30. It's up to 40, oh, 50. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a beast. And the laptop is currently on. It doesn't draw anything, but as you can see, it's up to 45 or something watts. The battery, by the way, should be fully charged there, so that's something to keep in mind as well. Anyways, it seems like we are drawing 40 something watts. What I want to try is actually to leave this here and bring another lid. This is my personal Dell, and yeah, I know you cannot see too much, but I don't really have, you know what, maybe I can try to do like this, and you might see some stuff that you don't need to, but it is what it is. And we're going to try to connect another cable. And yeah, I know the footage is overexposed, but I do want you to see that little screen on that thingy that checks how much we drove. I'm going to connect another thing here. By the way, the battery is down to 48%. Now I'm going to connect this laptop as well. Okay, it's already down to 47%. I'm going to put this laptop as well. The idea is I want to check what happens here. Actually, so we are here currently at 47 watts or something like this, and we are charging 2 laptops at once. Amazing. Let me try to somehow make you see. I wanted to see because the camera seems to... Okay. Yeah, so we do get a little bit less power, it seems, but we have enough power. Oh, actually it's up to 50 something. It seems like it's changing constantly, but it is totally fine. That's how it works. And yeah, we are drawing quite enough for both of the laptops, which is an amazing thing. Yeah, so currently both of the laptops are charging from this little thingy. I actually charged 2 laptops, and honestly, you can probably charge your whatever MacBook Pro, the newest thing, whatever, because again, that port here can support up to 145 or 140, if I'm not mistaken, watts. Cannot find here any cable that I can reach to also charge my phone, but I'm pretty sure we can do that as well. Let me grab one cable and see. Okay, so we have here another cable, and it's plugged in here. Let's grab my phone and check will it charge it as well. See? Yep, it is charging. Let's see about that one. So 3 devices are being charged now. Totally no problem for this battery. Totally no problem. This is amazing. Seriously, I've never seen a battery like this. This is crazy. Honestly, this is the craziest battery I've ever seen. Now, I grabbed this on a sale, and well, it is not cheap, but when you have a sale on this, I grabbed it for about 60 something US dollars, and for me, I guess it's totally worth it. Now, you probably remember the Xiaomi battery that I previously showed, and it's still alive, it's still working. It's just that I have it for more than 2 years now, and I'm a little bit worried that it's not that good as I want it to be. And I really wanted this one. And now you can see why.
Thank you for watching this Dinos Tech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.